Do you want to know the one thing that AI cannot replace? Your business skills. While ChatGPT is writing code and Word Labs is creating 3D videos just from one image, there is something that machines still struggle with, and that is understanding the bigger business picture. That's exactly what will make you irreplaceable. But here's the thing, most of the tech people that I know, including myself, sometimes get lost when business terms start flying around in meetings. ROI this, strategic alignment that, it sometimes feels like a different language, right? That's exactly why I started Tech to Business. See, being great at tech, being a pro at coding is no longer enough. We need to understand the business side too if we want to stay ahead of AI and really grow in our careers. So here's the deal. Every week, I'm going to break down different business modules and business concepts in a way that actually makes sense to us. There won't be any fancy MBI jargon, no complicated frameworks, just straight up practical stuff that you can use in your next meeting. For example, have you ever been in a company meeting when someone talks about company mission, ambition statements? You are not really sure about what's the difference? Well, now we are going to make it super simple. And let me explain it with something that we all know. Think about planning a trip. The vision is like your dream destination, where you want to end up one day. And the mission is the actual journey, how you are going to get there. Let me show you with my own channel, with this channel, Tech to Business as an example. My vision is to empower every techie to make bigger impact in their businesses. That's my big dream, where I want to end up. I want to help you. And my mission is to translate my MBA and my business learnings into a language that resonates with tech professionals. Can you see the difference? The vision is the where, my final goal. And the mission is the how, what I do every day or every week or every month to reach that goal. You can think of me as your business tech translator, someone who's been in your shoes and someone who is still in your shoes and knows how to bridge that gap. So, if you're tired of nodding along in meetings while secretly Googling under the table, you can hit that subscribe button and we will figure this stuff out together. You can also drop a comment below with the business terms that make you go like, what? And I can cover them in future videos. Catch you next week.